Welcome to this Essential Skills Communication lesson on types of sentences. In this lesson we will look at identifying different types of sentences, analyzing the structure of types of sentences, and generating different types of sentences. So what is a sentence? A sentence is a set of words, built around a main verb. They start with a capital letter and end with a full stop, or equivalent punctuation mark, such as a question mark or exclamation mark. For more on punctuation, see the punctuation lesson. As a group of words, an individual sentence always sounds complete, and comes to a natural-seeming end. Sentence variety in a piece of text can create impact, with certain key sentences standing out as being especially effective. There are three sentence types, which all have different impacts on writing. A simple sentence, a compound sentence, and a complex sentence. We will first look at simple sentences. A simple sentence is built from the minimum of a subject and a main verb. It can be very short in length, but doesn't have to be. There are several reasons for using simple sentences. For example, a series of short simple sentences, used together, may be used to create tension, as in this extract. We came round the corner. He was there. Short simple sentences are frequently used to offer facts, so that they are easily understood by a reader. For example, Paris is the capital city of France. Please remember to use a full stop at the end of a simple sentence. You cannot use commas. This is called comma splicing, and you will lose marks in the exam if you do this. We will now look at compound sentences. A compound sentence is built from two or more simple sentences, joined by a conjunction such as and, or, but. It can provide more information, or give an extra viewpoint. The important thing with compound sentences is to look at the word that joins the two simple sentences. The uses are as follows. And is used to add extra information, to support the information given in the first part of the sentence. But is used to give a different point of view, or idea, from that given in the first part of the sentence, and offers different perspectives, or possibilities. So, is used to add extra information, to build on the information given in the first part of the sentence. Or, is used to add alternative information, to support the information given in the first part of the sentence. Yet, is usually used to show that there are other ways of looking at things, and to introduce a different opinion to that given in the first part of the sentence. Here are some examples. I usually go to class on Monday afternoons, but I am now learning online. Armagh City is the capital of County Armagh, and it is a beautiful city. We will now finally look at complex sentences. A complex sentence is built from a simple sentence, and we add to a second group of words, called a clause. This group of words are also built around a main verb. The second group gives more detail about the simple sentence, but it cannot stand alone. This means if you break these two groups apart, only one will make sense by itself. Complex sentences add extra detail and information, for example, so that a reader is able to create a vivid picture in their mind. When creating your own piece of writing, it is useful to think about the effects you're creating for your reader, by the extra length of the sentence, as well as by the extra detail given. Here are some examples of complex sentences. We need to practice social distancing because the coronavirus can be dangerous for vulnerable groups. Armagh, the capital of the county, is a beautiful city. In this lesson we looked at identifying different types of sentences, analyzing the structure of types of sentences, and generating different types of sentences.